Hey, Culper here. It is Stock Lock Sunday, and we've got a nice little lock that I found not at an antique shop. I was at an antique shop, and I was looking for locks. I know an elderly woman overheard me. She invited me back to her house, and her husband sold me a bunch of Yale locks, Slaymakers, just a bunch of old school antique locks for 20 bucks. And I was like, hey, that's awesome. And she also threw this in here, an old USPS post office PO box door. And it's really neat how it works. I'm trying to keep my hand out of the way here. So you need to find your number, which is first one's 8. Then you need to bypass that same number, not the top, but you have to bypass 8 because that was your first, and keep going until you find. Uh-oh, I think I messed it up. Okay, so we got 8. Yes, we bypass 8 to find our next number, which is actually 4.5, and then you just go straight to your next number, which is a 1. It should open. Don't make me feel stupid. Oh, you did. Okay, so 8, 4.5, 1. There we go. We got it open. And this lock here, is why I did it Lockmania style, so to speak, is because today he actually picked his first Lockwood, which is awesome. Congrats, Lockmania. But I found a Lockwood at that antique store before that woman sold me all of her cool stuff. So this is a Lockwood, but not the Lockwood that you might think. It's not Australian. It is made from the Lockwood manufacturing company or something like that. They were early 1900s and early 20th century, should I say, company. It was about 1930 to 1950 when they sold these guys, and it's been one tough lock. I picked it up on the first day I had it, and for the life of me, I don't know how, because I haven't got it since. And if I had a brain in my skull, I would have gutted it then and thoroughly cleaned it out, because I could tell it really needs it because it's kind of clunky in there. So yeah, let's try to get this. It's a 6-pinner too. So where are my tension tools? Okay. So we will be using top of the keyway, and then we're going at it from there. I think this is a standard, maybe, this may be the chime. Sparrows. One was like this really mushy the whole time, and that click at the very top. Wow, okay, so I think 1 is set actually. Got 2 there. Oh, yes. We got it. I have been working on this guy for so long after I picked it the first time. I don't even have my, oh yeah, I got my stuff ready to gut it. So I did want to gut this to clean it out, and I said, hey, may as well do it on camera to show you guys. that is open. Awesome. Only got it open one other time, and gosh, it's been so difficult trying to get that open. So yeah, let's get this out of the way. Back here, there's a plate. Oh, because it's open. Oh, I better be careful. It's moving that plate. Sorry, I try to be quick about this. I think I'm notorious for having long videos, long picking times, but yeah, definitely want to get this on camera. I'd never heard of an American Lockwood before, but I was really surprised to see it pinned up to 6. Okay, let's find our follower. I think I had this one. Oh, I have 2 set aside here, so let's... what fits? That does not fit. So let's go ahead and get it all the way sideways. So this one works. Yes, that works perfectly. Perfect. Alright. And there are our pins. I have no key for this, obviously, or I would have. I would have already opened it and had it cleaned out better. I always put my key pins on top here. Oh wow. Yeah. Was not expecting that. This right here, and forgive me guys, I don't know what it's called. I'm just gonna call it what it looks like, a little disc pinned up in the key. Now I don't know if that was part of the driver pin or part of the key pin, but well, I mean, it came out of the... That's interesting. So yeah, if you know what that's called, just please feel free to educate me and chime in. Oh wow, 2 more just dropped out of there. I wonder if... So yeah, so far, that's what we're looking at. Look at that. That came out of there too. I wonder what... I think it's like SFIC or something like that. I don't know. Unless I somehow push these security pins or driver pins out. Let's hope they're not crazy spring loaded. Let's come back out here. Not the tool I want. This will actually be the first time I get to use these tweezers. So just a slide. So this would be the front. Wow, 2 more. So I don't know where those little discs go. let's go ahead and turn it back sideways here. Oh no, might as well just keep doing what we're doing. So 1, 2, 3, we're on our 4th one. That one really didn't pop out at all. Oh, it's just a disc. There's gotta be something else in there. Try to keep that follower in place. Prepare for springs. That's what I was looking for. Another driver pin there. And look at that. The springs are different too. Can't wait to get it close up for you guys. Okay, we're just gonna have to wait. That came out of 5th one, and that spring is coming out. Oh, come on out of there. Okay. I think all we are dealing with now are springs. These springs are just, they're not uniform at all. I'll show you what we're looking with. Alright, it's completely gutted. And please let me know in the comments how to reassemble this. I don't know whether to put these small discs right here with the key pins, or with, I would think, with the driver pins, but yeah, that's really interesting. Oh, we just messed up everything. That's not good. Okay, so we're gonna have to figure that out, but yeah, if you could just comment, let me know what you think about that lock. It's definitely different. I'll have to re-look at this or study this video to figure out how to put these pins back the right way. It's not like I have the right key or anything, so I don't think it matters, but yeah, it took me a while to get this. So that was the American Lockwood for Stock Lock Sunday. Take care, guys.